Guys, let's talk about Harmony One here. Now, I've done maybe one, maybe two videos on Harmony before. I don't try to push Harmony because I consider Harmony higher risk. And as you know, they got hacked a couple of years ago. And, you know, I just think that it's risky, but it is one of my top picks because I believe it's going to be a dark horse in this bull run. Now, I'm at the point where I don't know if it's going to eclipse its all-time high. I hope it does. And, the dilution of Harmony 1 is just a lot, since the last bull run. Um, and I think the last bull run, the high was about 37 or 38 cents. I could zoom out and look if I go to the weekly here and show you guys. But, it really doesn't matter all in all. But yeah, you can see that the high was back here. Looks like 38 cents right there if I look up 38. So I don't know if it eclipsed it here. No, it was 37.8. Okay, so 38 cents is the high for Harmony One all time. So yeah, if it made it to 10 cents, I think I would be happy, honestly. If it made it to, 7 or 8 cents this bull run, I would be kind of disappointed. But I believe 10 cents, 12 cents, that's for sure. That's in the cards probably, maybe even 20 cents at this point. But to double that and take out as high, some people even believe it's going to, go to $1. At this point, being a penny and a half, probably not. If we were sitting at almost 4 cents still, like a few months ago, then I could say maybe yeah. But anyways, guys, you can see here I've drawn these trend lines. So basically, it's broken this trend. You can see the touch point here. It almost touched it here. It had a couple of days where it tried to break it here, but then it broke out, retested, got the bounce, and now it's making a new trend line, an upward trend line. So you can see here, it bounced off this low at a penny, bounced again here, bounced again here, almost touched here. I mean, that's close enough for me. I'll say it's a bounce. And right now, the next resistance is up here. It's a weekly resistance at 1.6 cents. And after that, you have basically 2.44 cents being the next resistance on the weekly. So I haven't really marked off any daily resistances yet, but there's just so many. I mean, if I look at this on the daily, just right here in this local area, it does look like around, I would say here, let me just mark this with a different color, about 1.9 cents is going to be a daily resistance. And then we're going to get up to about 2.3 cents really. That's going to be another daily resistance. I would say we kind of broke through a resistance a couple of days ago down here at 1.4 cents. There's just such a long history to go back on Harmony 1. Maybe I can adjust this actually. Maybe even here is better for that. If I look at this, at a little bit larger scale, maybe I can adjust this one too a bit. Let's put it down here. I think that's a good place for it. And yeah, I think if I would adjust this one slightly, I'll put it right there. So anyways, guys, that's the resistances that I see for Harmony 1 in the near term. Now, I wouldn't go in and throw all my money in this, but, to have a small bag of it, why not? Now, Bitcoin at the moment is sitting around 64.7. Like I said earlier today in my video, it might get a indecisive candle and kind of move up above this green line. That would be excellent. Yesterday it tested this as support here at 62.4. Now it's testing this line, basically, this daily support and it's getting a bounce. So that's a good thing. It's maintaining this trend, maintaining this whole area, which I said is going to be a little bit tough to break through, and just needs to get above this weekly resistance at the moment and work on 65.7. If we talk about CME real quick, the cuts for this month, it's just looking like a less than 5% chance. You can see this is for July. 95% chance that we're going to stay the same. September, though, it's a different story, guys. If I click on this, it's almost 94% chance that there's going to be a quarter point cut. And then, you know, some people, almost 5%, believe there's going to be a half point cut. You know, maybe for elections, it could be a surprise if Biden, you know, would pressure Powell, could be, but I'm still going with a quarter. I think a quarter will happen in September. November, I think they're going to skip, you know, and then maybe in December they'll give that last quarter point. But, you know, we could see a quarter, quarter, and quarter. They said there was going to be 3 this year, so who knows, guys? I mean, November right now, if we look at this, a lot of people think, yeah, it's going to be another cut, almost 60%. And December, a lot of people, you know, most think that we're going to cut again. So could be, you know, we'll see. Things are looking better for cuts lately. So anyways, about Harmony, that's what I have for you guys. This is the next resistances to watch and supports. And Bitcoin, you guys, you see what's happening, as I said. You know, it's just got to get above this weekly resistance at the moment. So anyways, if you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video.